Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you PS4 how to fix keep crashing or freezing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right onto the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is holding the power button. Keep on holding power button until it boots up, and once you do that, if it doesn't boot up, what you can do is removing the connector cable completely. But I would not recommend you to do this. But once you do that, let the console sit for a while. Give it a minute or sometimes a day to cool it down. And once you do that, the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings and then update your software. This might be the reason that your PS4 keeps freezing or crashing. So once you have booted up your console, go to the settings and update the software to the latest version. And now the second reason might be hardware failure. If the hardware you are using is failing, then this can also be the reason for crashing and freezing. So what you need to do is check to see if the hard drive is properly connected or not, or running properly or not. And the next reason is unplugging the third party, using third party apps like screen recording. So that might also be causing your PS4 to freeze or crash. So now in order to fix it, just go through these problems and then your issue should be fixed. And that's basically PS4 how to fix keep crashing or freezing. Then that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.